What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and thanks for tuning in. Thanks for clicking on this video, showing up whenever I called you guys, as you guys always do. I appreciate y'all so much for that, as always. Today's video, we're revisiting the past a little bit. So before I get into the details, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and become part of the family. We are a family on this channel because we support each other, and our support feels like a what, guys? A family, exactly. So thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, we are revisiting these clip-ins that I have done a review on my page before. I can't really talk. That I've done on my channel before. And those clip-ins are the BetterLength clip-ins. Look at them. Y'all, they look so good. I actually just finished washing and deep conditioning them. Yes, girl. When your man asks what hair you're working with, baby boy, the hair on the counter. That's it, my hair. But yes, y'all, this is the hair, and it looks so good, right? Like, I washed and conditioned this hair like a little while ago today. It's still kind of damp, and I have not put any other product in it, and this is what the hair is looking like so beautiful, right? I'm gonna leave the texture and everything up here for you guys. But yeah, so today, like my last video, we just did like a wash and go, I think, or maybe I forgot what the style I did. I think I just like clipped them in my hair from a past like twist out or something like that. But this time I'm twisting my hair with the clip-ins in. So I'm going to clip them in first, then we're going to twist, okay? Yes, girl, I'm so excited. We about to act a fool. Who, me? Not you. Just me and my clip-ins. Yeah. We about to put them in. Yeah. So yeah, right now my hair is just fresh, no product in it at all. I co-wash and deep condition my hair, so yeah, no product in it at all. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Let's get it. And today's video is sponsored by BetterLength. So shout out to y'all for sponsoring your girl's video again. Y'all are appreciated. Okay, I appreciate y'all. Let's get into it. So the products that I am using, the style is Tropical Bliss Leave-In Smoothie, the Banana Leave-In Smoothie. Hopefully it's not too bright. And then the Tropical Bliss Pineapple Hair Milk. This line is all about the berries and everything, so they have some bomb products. I used the shampoo and conditioner on my hair earlier, the shampoo and the mask, the co-wash and the mask. But y'all, these products are like so cool. I did like a review of them. Not a review, but like an unboxing on my IG story. So if you saw that, then you saw it. If you didn't, you should have been following me. Alright, let's get to it. So we're going to do the back section first. And then we're going to work our way on up. Right at the back. Then I'm going to apply the leave-in smoothie. Then I'm going to detangle with my comb. Next, I'm going to apply the hair milk. Pineapple hair milk. Oh, wait. Doesn't taste like pineapples. Ugh, it's still on my lip. Oh. Okay, come through definition. Come through definition. So then I'm going to just make sure to detangle with my Denman brush all the way, and then I'm going to take a clip in and go ahead and apply that to the back section of my hair, and just make sure that it is clipped in right so it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to just apply some more of that milk to the clip in the rest of my hair Then I'm just gonna split that into 3 sections and start to twist from the top all the way to the bottom. And I also detangled once again once I after I put the milk in, just to make sure that I didn't have any knots or anything in the clip-ins or in my hair, because I just wanted it to be extremely smooth, as I always do for a twist out. Nothing new really. And then I just went ahead and just twisted that all the way down to the roots, and then curled the ends around my finger. And y'all, this felt like my hair, like for real, my hair. So this is what that one is looking like after I completed it all the way, and you can see just how much it blends in. Like, you can't even tell my hair from the clip-in hair. It all looks so good. So I'm gonna do that once again, and I'm doing 3 twists on that back row. So putting the clip-ins, applying the milk, then detangling, applying more milk if needed, and then going ahead and twisting all the way down to the tip. So after I went ahead and finished that one twist, I went ahead and did the other one as well, and this is what the back is looking like. All 3 of them are completed. So the clip-in is nice and secure, and I'm went ahead and finished that back section. So now I'm moving on to the next section, applying a leave-in like we did last time. Now I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair with my Denman brush. Make sure that I don't have any kinks at all, and also it activates my curls, the Denman brush does, so that way everything matches perfectly as far as texture. So after clipping these in, this is what it's looking like in the back, and I'm going to go ahead and twist up just like I did in the lower section. The back section is now done, and I wanted to show you guys how I did the crown of my hair. So I split my top part into 2 sections. Then I applied the clip-in in between both of those sections, just so you can't see the clip-in. I basically covered the clip-in with my real hair, and then I went ahead and twisted that entire section up. So I put the clip-in in between the hair, and then put 3 twists at the crown of my hair, so when I take them down, there won't be the clip-in won't show basically. So this is what it's looking like after I finished all the way, and I also blended my hair with the clip-ins in the front as well, with that exact same tuck method. And y'all, I love how these twists are looking. Like, they look so real, right? Like, if you don't look at my root, you would think this is my hair at the end. So it actually made me like become optimistic for whenever my hair does grow. Hopefully it gets to this length, I'm not sure, but I most definitely loved how they looked. And I was extremely shocked with how well they blended with my real hair. Once again, like, it just looks so good. The texture and everything just really was like a great match for these twists. So I'm gonna let my hair dry and we'll be right back. Alright family, so it is the next day, and I mean not the next day, it is 2 days later. My hair was not dry yesterday. It was like, girl, who you think you messing with? Like, it was not dry at all, especially at the roots. So I'm hoping that it's dry today. Let's go ahead and see. OMG. Okay, they look amazing, but my doggone roots are still a little damp, and so is the hair down here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go sit underneath the dryer for about 10 minutes, and hopefully it dries this. I'm gonna put this on top of the head, so hopefully it dries. Okay, BRB. So I went there under the dryer for about 10 minutes, and they are fully dry all the way now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to taking them out. I'm so excited. So to take them out, we're gonna use the Tropical Bliss watermelon squeeze. Yeah, this smells so freaking good. Oh my god, it smells so good. We're going to be putting that all over our hair, as always, to eliminate frizz, just like we're doing a regular twist out. Wow. It legit just looks like my hair is longer. So now I'm simply just unraveling the rest of those twists on that back section. And guys, my results were literally popping. Like these twists, these clip-ins blended in so well with my natural hair, and it was so easy to take down. And this is what the entire back section is looking like after I had taken all of the twists down out of the last 2 rows. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take out some more. Whoa. Y'all. Y'all, this definition is so crazy. Like, this legit feels like I'm just taking my own hair out. Like I'm just unraveling my own twist. Okay, I think they're all out. I'm gonna take this one out last. Yo, this looks so doggone good. Okay, I'm gonna separate a little bit. When separating, you do want to be really careful. I look like I'm going fast here, but I just sped the video up. But you want to be extremely careful, especially at the top, because you don't want to cause any frizz, or you want to eliminate as much frizz as possible. So just be very careful when unraveling these, as you will with any twist out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and separate the rest off camera, and I'm gonna come right back and we're gonna see these final results. Family, look at these poppin' results. OMG. The twist out blended so well with my natural hair and with the clip-ins. Like you can see where my hair stops in some parts, but overall, y'all, it blended so well. I absolutely love these results. Like my hair looks so good. It looks like my hair, really. Like the texture of these clip-ins with the twist out and with my hair with the twist out is like the exact same texture, and it just worked extremely well for this style. Let's get into more details right now. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and girl, who am I, right? I absolutely love how they came out. I love how it blends so well with my natural hair, and I really just love it overall. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I love how it looks very natural. You can even pat it down a little bit to like reduce the amount of volume if you really want like an extremely natural look. So I absolutely love it, honestly. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, and as always, I appreciate all the support, and shout out to BetterLength for sponsoring today's video and everything. So shout out to you guys, and please remember to subscribe if you have not already done so. The family needs you here, okay? So thank you so much as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video.